The story of Rio Grande Southern 0404 began in the high country of Ridgway, Colorado back in 1902. Unlike most of the rolling stock on the struggling narrow gauge line, which was usually picked up secondhand and already worn thin from years of service on other railroads, this caboose was born right in the company's own shops. The workmen took the sturdy frame of an old flat car and built upward, creating a car that was unusually long for the mountain grades, a rolling home for the train crews who faced some of the harshest winters in the American West. Life on the Southern was never easy, and the caboose wore its history and its scars. It was a survivor of the railroad's notorious luck, enduring 2 major wrecks in a single season. In the autumn of 1943, a runaway car with failed brakes smashed into the rear in the Rico yards, nearly shearing off its platforms. Only 2 weeks after the shop crews patched it back together, the car found itself at the tail end of a disastrous runaway on the steep grade near Valley View. While the locomotive and several cars were reduced to splinters and twisted iron, the long-framed caboose somehow stayed on its wheels, a defiant ghost in the wreckage. Through the final lean years of the railroad, the car was a constant fixture, its weathered red sides bearing the iconic sunrise logo that promised a prosperity that never quite arrived. It had the distinction of bringing up the markers on the very last revenue freight train to ever traverse the line in 1951, essentially closing the door on the Rio Grande Southern era. After the tracks were pulled up and the railroad vanished into a legend, the caboose began a long period of exile, preserved first in a roadside hotel and later as a silent museum piece at the Golden, Colorado Museum. In the spring of 2025, the old car was carefully trucked back to Durango to undergo a meticulous restoration. Today, the wood stove inside is once again hot and the smell of coal smoke drifts through its cupola. Reunited with its old companion, Locomotive 20, that once pulled it through the San Juans, the caboose is currently rolling through the Animas Canyon. It is no longer a relic of the lost era, but a living piece of iron history, swaying rhythmically behind the steam as the snow flies along the High Line. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.